Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing fabulous today. Today's video is sponsored by RPGSHOW. They sent me over one of their new wigs, which I will be installing and giving you my review on it. These are the little goodies that I got in the package, which I absolutely love, especially their magazine. And this right here is the wig. This is their honey brown with caramel highlights. I love the highlights to the front, as you guys can see here. This is a Yaki textured unit and it's 16 inches. So this is what the construction is looking like. It does come pre-parted, pre-plucked, and also pre-bleached for you, so the parting space does look really natural. And the best thing about this unit is that it can be parted all the way through the unit, as you can see here, from the front of the unit all the way to the back, so you can accomplish many different styles. My favorite thing here is it does have these removable combs. You can take it off the Velcro, and if you so desire, you can put it back on. The unit does have this adjustable stretchable band that you can use to secure the wig, so I absolutely love that. The unit does have a deep parting space that goes all the way into the back of the unit, so it's definitely very natural and giving scalp, guys. So the link to the unit will be in the description of the video. Please go ahead and check that out. As you can see here, the parting space is very flexible, and as I part it through, it's almost as if I'm parting my own hair, right? So now let's begin working on this unit. I'm just using my hot comb to slick all the hair back because I'm going to be using some hairspray on this unit. This is a unit that you can go absolutely glueless, guys. I am just cutting the excess from the air tab section, and then I'm spraying some hairspray on my forehead. Then I'm going to be drying this down, and I simply place the lace and position it on my forehead, guys, and that really is it. Black Friday is coming up, so I would recommend that you guys stay glued to RPGSHOW's website, because they will of course be having so many deals and so many discounts. As you can see, the hair itself is such good quality. I love how thick it is, so I definitely love that Yaki texture that it has. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this band to tie down the unit, let it sit there, and let that just melt into my skin while I begin parting through the top of the unit and making sure that the top is just laid flat with my hot comb. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the excess lace off the unit. Once I cut the excess lace off, I go back in with some spray, and any part of the lace that is looking kind of lifted, I like to make sure I go back in and kind of tack that down. Then I will add some more compression on it and tie it down while I begin curling the unit. Before I curl the unit, I like to add a heat protector to the unit. I spray it in my hand just to make sure I evenly distribute it, and then I use my curler and begin adding in some curls. Now that I'm done curling the unit, guys, let's take the band off, and I'm just going to use my hands to rake through these curls. But the lace is looking so good, the hair is looking very natural, and that's all the work I'm going to do. So now this is the final look. I absolutely love the thickness of this unit, the Yaki texture. It holds the curls so well, and it does give that curtain bang effect at the front. I haven't cut it at all. This is how it came out of the package. Of course, with being able to part the unit all the way into the back, I had to do this braided down style, which is too cute. Also, I love how natural the lace looks. It's definitely giving scalp. The highlights, the color is just beautiful. The link to the unit is in the description, so go ahead and check it out. And remember that RPG Show will be having Black Friday deals, so stay tuned to their website for all the deals.